Yes, Zanab. As here we are learning comparing ratios. Okay. So we compare two different ratios. Okay. Here we take the cup size A, B, C, D, E, amount of tea according to each cup, amount of milk according to each cup. Here I have written the ratio of tea is to milk. First we write for tea is to milk. Tea is to milk. Okay. Now can you find the simplest form for these ratios? Just try it. Just try for each one, है ना?
This goes on like that.
Yes. So it will be
3:1.
3:1, है ना? For the first one, as here 180 divided by 60, 0 0 cancel, 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So it will be 3/1, means we can say that 3:1. 3:1. Similarly, just find for all. Do it. Okay, I was not here. So what you get as a ratio in each?
3:1.
3:1, है ना? As here 270 by 90 in 3 times, है ना? So it will be 3:1. Again 360 divided by 120, 0 0 cancel, 12 3 is 36. Easily, it's too simple, right? 3:1. 0 0 cancel, 14 15 3 is 45, so 3:1. Okay. Similarly 0 0 cancel, 8 3 is 54, so 3:1. Okay. As here in each case you can see the ratio is
3:1.
3:1. So what you can say about the ratio here?
They're all same.
Yeah, we can say that कि in ratio the quantity in ratio is same, right? For each size of cup, the quantity of amount of tea and milk in the ratio it is same. Is it clear? है ना? Easily you can see here. Okay. Or any doubt?
No.
No. Yes, now we will see the next table. Okay, as here it said that ki the Mr. Poon uses the flowing table to prepare the 4 different mixtures of cements, है ना, and sand by using identical pails. Complete the table. Okay, here you have to complete the table. Let's see here. In the first one it is number of pails of cement, next is number of pails of sand, है ना, number of pails of sand, then cement into sand, cement is to sand. Okay, in the first one 4 total na. See, 4, this is 3, 8, 6, 12, 9, 16 and 12. Okay, sand is to cement, cement is to sand. First we will take the value of cement, that is 4:3, right, है ना? Now here cement is to sand in simplest form. cement is to sand in simplest form. Now number of pails of cement divided by number of pails of sand. Okay. See here, as here it is 4:3. In the simplest form it will be also, it will be in the simplest form. What it will be? Tell me.
It would be.
Is there any common factor in 4 and 3?
2.
How it will be 2?
Oh wait.
It's 4 by 3, na? Is there any common factor?
I thought you were asking about 8 into 6.
No, 4:3.
No common.
No common factor. So it is already in simplest form, right? So it will be 4:3. Is it clear? Now number of pails of cement by number of pails of sand. As here number of pails of cement is 4 and number of pails of cement is 3. Is it clear? Now let's check for the second one. For the second one, as here ratio will be 8:6. First ratio cement is 2. Now come to the simplest form, है ना? 8 by 6. 2 is the common factor. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. Now there is no any common factor. So it will be 4:3. So the number of pails will be for cement will be 4 divided by number of pails of cement will be 3. Can you do for this two? Just try it.
Yeah.
Just try, है ना? Make the table. What?
But I say because it will be 12:9 and then 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So it will be 4:3 and then of course 4
Yeah.
upon 3 and
4:3, है ना? It will be same. Same here we can do it right in the same way, है ना? कि it will be 12:9.
then in
3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. So it again 4 by 3. Here again
16
Hmm.
to 12.
Good.
And then 4 threes are 12.
हाँ.
4 fours are 16.
Yeah, very good, है ना?
It's the same thing.
4 by 3, right? What you can see here in the ratios,
That's all similar.
all are same, है ना? In the ratio all are same. As you can see here, the number of pails of cement and the number of pails of sand is different in each mixture, right? But in the ratio it's the same. In the ratio it is same. Is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt.
No. If you want to note down it, then please note down. After this we will continue with our next question. Okay, now let's see here, Zainab. To make one portion of dough, Sunny makes 5 cup of flour. 5 cup of flour with every 3 cups of water. With every 3 cups of water. Okay. The first question is कि find the ratio of the amount of flour used to amount of water used to make one portion of dough, है ना? तो what it will be?
5:3.
Yeah, flour by water, है ना? और flour is to water to make one portion. So here we have to multiply it by 1. 5 by 3, है ना? As it is 5 by 3, 5 for flour and 3 for water. Here we are making one portion. So we will multiply it by 1 in numerator and denominator also, okay? So it will be 5 1 ja.
It says in the question to make one portion of dough.
Huh.
Why do we have to do that?
What?
Can't Can't we just do directly?
Yeah, we can do it. But when in the next question, when it will come for 2 portions, 3 portion, at that time you will not get confused. That's why I am explaining this point from here. Okay, is it clear? So let's see here, 5 1 ja 5 and 3 1 ja 3. So it will be 5 by 3. In ratio we can say that it will be 5:3. Is it clear? है ना? Now the next question, Sunny want to make 5 portion of dot. How many cups of flour and how many cups of water does she need to make 5 portions?
We have to multiply, so it will be 5.
5 portion of dot.
5 and
है ना?
5 into 3.
So it will be flour
It will be
by
25 and 15.
water. It as here for flour
25 and
5 and 3. He want to take.
times 5.
Yes, she want to take 5 portion. So here we will multiply it by 5 by 5, है ना? Okay.
That will be 25.
25 by 15. It's mean she should take 25 cups for flour and 15 cups of water. Is it clear? And in the ratio it will become 25:15, है ना? And when you will change it into simplest form, it will come to the 5:3 again. Okay. Now the next question is,
You just multiply by 21, which is
yes, 21 cups of water to make the same type of dough. How many cups of flour does she need? Same type of dough means the ratio should be 5 by 3 or 5:3. If she is taking 21 cups of water, है ना, then she should take the same number of cups for flour, है ना, so that it will be 105 by
5 and 63.
63. Very good, है ना? Is it clear? Okay, or any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay, so this was the question which we discussed today. After this we will continue in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
is there any doubt till here?
No doubt.
No, na? If you want to note down this one, then you can note down it. Otherwise you can also do one thing ki this question please try by yourself as a homework, है ना? And you have to submit it today by 9 p.m. Okay,
You sure?
sure na? Is it clear or any doubt?
No doubt.